Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, and I'm going to show you on how to resolve the Windows update with the error code 0xC1900104 in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the error message show there were problems installing some updates but will try again later. Feature update to Windows 10 or Windows 11 versions 20H2 with the error code 0xC1900104. So some factors that cause error 0xC1900104 occurs due to low disk space or compatibility with the hardware and drivers, incompatibilities in system settings, network interruptions, and failure to meet specific update requirements. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then dito sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, ay select mo lang dito yung other troubleshooters. So click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent. And then select mo lang dito yung Windows update. At dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to check relevant services. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services at services local, dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung background intelligent transfer service. So once na-locate mo na, and then ang gagawin mo, kailangan mo lang i-select, and then yung double click mo lang, and then pop up itong kanyang properties. So dito lang sa general at dito lang sa startup type, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung automatic. And then dito lang sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so in hope na na-resolve yung problem. But if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin, so same dito sa search menu, so click mo lang yan. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung slash scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verifications, phase of system scan. So dito ay kailangan ulit natin na hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. At dito lang sa start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows update with the error code 0xC1900104 in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.